How to add photo over a video on CapCut. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application CapCut. Once you're in this home page, tap on New Project at the very top. From your gallery, select any of the video that you'd want to edit. Let me select this one for now. Tap on Add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the video has been added, now if you want to add the photo over this video, then what you gotta do is, you have to click on Overlay at the bottom of the screen. Once again, it will open up your gallery. Select any of the photo that you want to add. Let me choose this one for now. Click on it. Once you have selected the picture, tap on Add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can place this picture anywhere on the video. You can also resize it with the help of this icon. Adjust this anywhere on the screen. And there you can see that the photo has been added to the video. You can also adjust the time range. Once done, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen, and then your video will be saved into your gallery. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.